to carry out Captain Zero's orders.
Help!
What the? Who's that?
Help! Out here!
Coast Guard.
It wasn't his lucky day. Zebedee had enough on his deck as it was, but he couldn't ignore someone in trouble.
Never thought I'd be glad to see you, Zebedee.
What? Oh dear, how's the Coast Guard getting this mess?
Johnny Cuba pushed me into the rocks. My engine's dead. I need a tow.
Johnny who?
Don't play dumb with me. I hear Zero and Johnny are good buddies.
Oh, not anymore. I cut
Ha!
the week.
So you do know him?
Hey? Oh, yeah. No, I just come out here to see if a ship might need a tow, you know, with these winds and that.
Salvage is what you're after. Well, you'll get something if you get me into port, I'm sure.
Yeah, you need repairs. Take it to Lucky's yard.
Hi, Zebedee.
Big Mac, what are you?
Good day to you, Coast Guard. Nothing serious, I hope.
Chasing a crook and salvaged by a crook, that's all.
Oh, you'll survive it.
My guess is you've taken that gangster somewhere, Zebedee. Come on, own up. Where?
All I did was bring him in past the harbour bar. I said I had to let him go because I'd work to do. Where he went after that, I don't know.
I've a good mind to run you in for questioning. You wait till Captain Zero hears about it. He won't like it, you know that.
I do. Sometimes I get for rescuing you.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be out there answering distress calls.
Sorry,
I'll tell you where you've been. You've been helping those star switchers, you creep. Ought to be a goody-goody star tag, would you? Hey, I haven't finished yet. Zebedee, come back here. Ah, the stars are docking Princess Alice. That should be worth watching in this wind.
Docking a liner can be a hazardous business for tugs, especially with cross currents and the danger of this high wind. Usually the liner can assist, but the Princess Alice couldn't do much due to the damage to her rudder. With all their expertise and experience, the Star Tug team were finding her very difficult to keep under their control.
What's happening back there? Come on, Stars! She's not responding, Hercules! The wind's too strong!
I can't hold her much longer!
Pull hard, everybody!
We need another tug. Just one more and do it.
Sorry, I can't help. I'm needed in case of fire.
Come on, lads. Hold it, Captain.
Oh, look out, I'm in trouble!
Come on, somebody.
We're losing it! Will we cross between ship and quayside?
This is too human. Switches.
Zebedee! Oh, thanks, just in time. You're a lifesaver!
Hi, your somebody. She's under control again.
Oh, hey, thanks, Zebedee.
Zero will have my boiler for this.
Aye, thank you, Zebedee.
Thank you, Zebedee.
Thanks, Zebedee.
Zebedee going soft in the head or something? Oh, the idiot.
Soren couldn't understand Zebedee. The Zeds were out to beat the Stars, not to help them beat the Z-Stacks.
Hello, Mr. Cuba, sir.
Well, it's Zebby back again. Keep doing as Johnny Cuba tells you, and you'll come to no harm, you with me?
Yes, Mr. Cuba. The wind's stopping.
Right, there's a few other little things I want you to do for me before we go. Now listen, this is what
It's Hercules.
Hello, what's going on here? Oh, yes, Zebedee. And where are you taking our friend, the well-known Johnny Cuba, eh?
Well,
What's it to you, Star?
We know you, Johnny Cuba. Up to no good. We'll hand him over to the authorities, Zebedee. They may like to have a word with him.
No, you don't.
Oh, wait a minute.
The gangster tried to back out, but collided with Zebedee.
You will not go anywhere.
Just to make sure, Zebedee rammed into Johnny Cuba, trapping him against the quayside.
Well done, Zebedee, my dear. Come on, let's take him in.
I'll break your stack for this one. I can't hold Johnny Cuba!
The authorities did hold Johnny Cuba and gave official thanks to Zebedee and Hercules. As 10 Cents and Sunshine set out on their last job of the day, the wind dropped completely.
Yeah, you'd think that storm never happened, eh? It's a lovely evening now, bud.
Yeah. Ah, look who's here. The Z-Stacks hero.
Ah, yes, Ebony. Congratulations.
Yeah, not bad, was it?
Nah, you were great.
The Captain Zero's over the moon. Now Johnny Cuba can't get at him.
Yeah, thanks for helping us with Scuttlebutt Pete.
Just forget about that, will you? Captain Zero wouldn't be pleased to hear about that.
No, dear.
Yeah, no, sorry, neither.
We won't tell, don't you worry, kiddo.
You'd better not. I've had enough troubles today. Well, see you fellas, eh?
Oh, Zebedee, if you ever think of leaving the Z-Stacks...
What? You crazy? Today was today, okay?
Oh, yeah, well, just a thought.
Yeah? Well, you think too much.
After that day, things continued much as they were. But Zebedee showed that everyone must have a good streak in them somewhere. Even Z-Stacks.